Hi everybody, and welcome back to Kay's Gardening. Now, I'm Kay and I am a home gardener. I'm not a professional, but I'm getting there. Now, I just wanted to let you know that this is not a big channel. This is just for people who stay home, maybe home mothers, stay home makers, home moms, home wives that enjoy gardening like I do and have a green finger naturally for some strange reason. So what I wanted to share with you, I know last week I've been sharing with you my tomatoes and the progress of my tomatoes. I'll show you that later on once we get there. But right now what I'm doing is I'm just doing the front yard flower pots, just refilling them and replenishing the soils in them. Caleb, sorry, my dog is with me. And just so you know, like when you want to put your new, Caleb, move. Sorry. He's a boxer, by the way, very sweet. So yeah, when you're ready to redo your plant pots in the summertime or the springtime, but I had to wait till June because in Canada it's been very iffy with the weather. But right now it's warm enough for me to do this. And also, as you notice, I'm expecting an additional member of the family. So before I get too tired, let me get this done now. I'm about 7.5 months. So those of you who are 7.5 months are expecting, congratulations to you too. But anyway, so basically I'm just putting in my own flowers and my own plant decor for the front of my house. And I do it every year, guys. And like I said, there's nothing special. I don't use anything technical, just fresh dirt, regular tools. But the main ingredient or the main skill and the main thing you have to do this is love. And I think that's what it is with me that keeps it looking healthy and beautiful. So I'm just going to go ahead and repot these. My camera is not in the greatest position for you to see what I'm doing, but right now I'm just replenishing the soil, like I said, with fresh soil, and I'm going to insert the decorations, the flowers and what have you. So once I've done that, I'll come right back. Keep on watching. Okay, so what I'm doing here, I'm just going to put these beautiful flowers just around the edge of the centerpiece. And you have to be very, very gentle when you take these out, guys. You don't want to pull them out. Very, very gentle because the roots are very delicate. The petals and the leaves, very, very delicate. So you want to just gently take them out of the containers. You want to push down just about maybe 4 to 5 inches into the soil and press them down so that they're in securely and comfortably. Easy so they don't fall out, is strong enough, deep enough so that they don't get pulled out by any passing creature. And you just want to put in at least maybe 3 to 4 different kind of flowers or colors. I like to use white. But see how I'm pressing the bottom? I squeeze it just gently so I can pull out the main flower with the roots as well. Insert them into the soil. And this is just regular soil, guys. Good quality organic soil. And you can get it from any garden store or any hardware store. And just push them down so that they're nice and comfortable and sitting perfectly. And you just go around as normal to all of the other areas of the plant to fill them in accordingly. I just had to go. And I finished putting everything in its place. So I'm just going to show you what I've done with the plant pots. So this is the finishing product. And guys, you know, you can just get any kind of plant pot with lit decoration. I've had this for a few years now and it's just done the job. So this is the finishing product. I put this tall grass in the middle and these annuals just around the edge. Now over the months, the summer months, all of these are going to expand and they're going to start hanging over. It's going to look beautiful by late July, August time frame. It's going to fill it up beautifully. And like I said, guys, you're just going to clean up the area, swept all the dust up, and that's it really. You can do so much with just a little bit of space. And you know, you've got your little plants there that you can hang in front of your front door. I'm not quite sure what else I'm going to put out here yet, but just a little plant area, sitting area, hanging plants, just to make it more welcoming if you're on a budget. Okay guys, so that's the end of this week's broadcast, and I hope to see you again next week. And if you have any other tips or comments or anything, please feel free to share them. Take care.